Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 2 for the compromised skin category, and I want to talk about my treatment plan for Maggie. So my plan is to really focus on the first half of the study in repairing that skin barrier before we slowly introduce some ingredients to target that inflammation. So in weeks 1 through 4, I'm going to utilize a gentle papain enzyme that is going to just create really healthy skin cell turnover, very, very gentle. I'm then going to do cryotherapy, which is going to protect the skin from environmental aggressors as well as calm and soothe inflammation. Depending on what her skin needs that week, I'll utilize red or blue light therapy. In weeks 2 through 4, I'm going to introduce the albumin conditioning mask, which is great for repairing the skin at a cellular level. I am hoping by week 5 that her skin barrier will have returned to baseline and we can start slowly introducing those actives. So if so, in week 5, I want to do one pass of a 5% TCA peel that's very superficial. This is going to have other ingredients that will start targeting that C. acnes bacteria and that inflammation. If it's not, I'm going to utilize an oxygen treatment that has an ingredient called naturium that will oxygenate the pores to help kill some of that bacteria, obviously less aggressive. In week 6, I will do the hydrating treatment that I did in weeks 1 through 4. Week 7, if all is going well, I'll do 2 layers of that TCA peel. And then in week 8, we will return to our repairing and hydrating treatment. For her home care routine, I'm going to utilize a gentle creamy cleanser, a moisturizer, and a zinc oxide sunscreen, a really soothing toner, and a really healing and hydrating serum to use before her moisturizer. And then hoping by weeks 3 to weeks 5, I can slowly introduce some actives to target the acne. So a gentle mandelic acid that has a large molecule to gently give her that exfoliation her skin needs, and a benzoyl peroxide that I'm going to have her slowly introduce through a time schedule so it won't sensitize her skin. I did introduce 2 supplements into her routine as well, a zinc, which is going to help control excess oil production, and an omega that's going to help prevent transepidermal water loss and dehydration, which will help prevent some inflammation in the skin. I am excited to educate Maggie on why treating that compromised skin barrier before doing anything else is really the key to success in treating acne. I'm excited to take you on the journey with me.